old.
Hey guys, what's up? I'm Saion Gupta and I'm 9 years old. I'm the co-founder of tennis4thekids.com, and if you like this video, don't forget to smash that like button, share this video, comment down below if you like it, and subscribe our channels if you have not done it yet.
And today is a surprise video for Sayasmi.
What?
She doesn't know about this, but today it's her birthday week going on, so I have ordered a present for her.
Seriously?
Yeah. And the second one will come with this, but this is a present. Let's do this. This is a present for
Oh,
her.
I'm excited.
Okay, let me cut it.
Meow, 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 meow.
I hope there will be a gift wrapper because I sent them to her. Oh, there's no gift wrapping, but that's fine. I said them to do it in a gift box. Still they didn't, so that's fine. But Sayasmi, look at this.
What monstrosity is this?
This is my friend Raspberry Pi standard kit. So the Raspberry Pi will come by Monday or something, but this is the kit in which everything is there to basically everything is there. So in this everything is there that we will need with the Raspberry Pi. So
Ooh,
it's
let
gonna
me
be
open.
very interesting. Here.
I have one scissors.
Okay, you take your scissors then. Oh, don't cut it like this. Maybe yes, here it is. There. Okay. Yo, this is asthma.
Kinda. You can see some.
This is satisfying.
What?
Oh yeah. I'll help you. Should I help you? Should I help you?
We will have to cut.
Okay, so it is.
In something.
Okay.
Let me see.
Okay, I'm picking it up. Tear it. And pull this over here. Pull this. Oh,
It's not like that.
it's so much of packing. What is asthma?
And now we squeeze it.
La 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 la.
Oh wow.
Wow. So let's see.
Open.
Sesame. Okay. So first of all, there's a CD. Okay.
Oh.
There's a CD, and now there's some board thingy. It's so delicate. Oh,
I thought something else fell.
no, nothing fell. Go away, board. Okay. Look at this, guys. This is something over here that we will need, and we'll learn about this.
And
Okay. You take this.
no, I.
Okay. So
Okay,
these are
so-
some boards and something more.
And these are wires.
Yeah, these are wires.
Like if Raspberry Pi. Okay, so Raspberry Pi is a thing, like you code it and it will become in a real life. So like basically like Alexa. Now if you guys have Alexa, you know that it can change colors, it can switch on the light. So it is made by Raspberry Pi, right? So these are
It
the
is
wires.
made basically using Raspberry Pi.
Yeah, so these are the wires for the rainbow colors.
And not for the rainbow colors, these are some wires that we
And-
learn about.
Yeah.
And then we have a lot of wires over here.
Oh, something is going on here.
And then there's some type of chip in this.
Yep, we will need that.
Just
Look, guys.
hold these pins very carefully.
Wow.
There are so many pins over here.
Oh my
Just
god.
don't hold them. Just hold them from the wrapper.
Look, guys.
And then we have this is a push button. So when you press a button, something will happen. And this is a button. So this is our button. Nothing is damaged
Okay.
till now. Keep it lightly, Sashmi. Then there's something my Tower Pro Micro Server. And this standard kit came for 3,000 rupees.
Yeah. And here is a timer.
No, this is a basically this is a 4-digit 7 display something timer.
Wow.
Oh, don't keep it like this. Keep it like this. Keep it like this.
Okay.
Then these are some speakers, I think.
Yeah.
Look at these. Look at these.
Oh my god! And this is a fan. Why do we use a fan? Fan is because like sometimes your laptop gets lot heated, right? So this is to cool it down.
No, this is not the one she's talking about. That is coming with the Raspberry Pi. That cooling down.
So these are some pins and some thingies.
Then this is another board over here for us.
Wow.
There's so many boards.
Oh look, there's so many wires.
There are more. Oh no, this is not a wire. This is a motor, Sayasmi. This will rotate. Let me tell you, this will rotate. This thing will rotate, and then we can keep the fan on this, so we can join the fan on this. Okay, and then the fan will rotate.
Ooh, okay. So this is I don't know, a wire?
No, this is a battery connector. So this connects a battery.
Okay, so this
Is some kind of thing.
You don't get hurt. But
Keep it very like this. When wherever you see pins, hold it from sides.
I know
Okay.
that. Okay, so here are some pins and all those thingies.
And then we have some board over here.
Okay.
There's so much of technical stuff.
Let me get
Okay.
Oh.
This is the main one. This is the main
I
one.
know. Let me hold.
Okay, let me show it.
I'll show it. Look out!
Why are you showing it from the other side? Okay, so this is our display. So anything we can display from the computer and it will be displayed over here.
Yeah, and this
This is a breadboard.
breadboard.
This is a board where we will create our connections. Okay, Sashmi?
Ideal for high.
She's too excited to
frequency
learn Raspberry
and
Pi.
low noise circuits. Oh.
Yeah, and then we'll have some wire and something.
There's so many things.
This is a motor. So
Oh, yeah.
this is a revolving motor. Okay, so over here
like
also,
if we create some like
look,
robot something.
over here we can fix the fan,
Yeah,
and
like
it is
this is-
fixed, and then it can rotate,
it will work.
and this will work automatically.
Mm-hmm.
And this is a keypad. Okay?
Yeah, this is
so you can type into your computer.
Oh,
Raspberry.
it feels so
Yeah.
good. Look, guys, that's asthma. Oh, you can't hear it.
Oh, don't. Okay, let's keep it calm. Then
Okay.
there are some 4 pins in this, and this is something.
And there are some like pens, and all of it is fully with. Ooh, look, there is a ring kinda.
Oh,
There's a
cool,
ring
cool.
kinda.
Sure.
And what is this? There's blue thinga.
This is looked like a keychain.
Why will it? Why? What? These are some more
And
pens.
look, this is defective, I think. Look, it is tilted over here.
Yeah.
You can clearly see it. We'll show it to our pops. Okay.
Pops?
Yeah.
And
And
then
let me
there
show
are-
this. Let me show this. You show these. These are the yellow lights.
I know. These are the yellow lights.
Show
These-
it to the users.
Yeah.
I showed.
These are the yellow lights. These are the green and the blue lights.
And let's see this. Is this defective? Look at this.
Oh my god.
The pin is tilted over here. Okay.
and
so
here,
we'll just
here
record it.
are our red lights.
And where's the one I'm looking for? Okay, here. Over here we have some pins, and then there's a RGB light. This is a light where our colors will also change. So different color lights will glow on that RGB light.
And here, what are these?
These are some type of pins.
Yeah, same thing.
C1815 transistor pack 5.
And mine was the same. C1.
So this came for 3,000 rupees, and you won't find much use of this right now. But when our Pi will come, then everything will be very cool. And this was our standard kit unboxing, guys.
Oh my
If
god.
you just see this, oh
Here.
man,
A full messy thing. I love this.
and I love everything over here, right?
And guys, so Raspberry Pi is a thing. Like if you code it on
So
you code
basically,
it
you can
and
create
it will.
robots also. You can basically create robots also with Raspberry Pi.
I know you can create your own cars, and let me tell you, you can create your own Minecraft server.
That's not so cool.
Are you kidding?
That's normal.
Huh?
I don't play Minecraft.
Yeah, but Roblox or Among Us.
I wonder about that one.
Yeah, and can I tell about Raspberry Pi? Okay, so Raspberry Pi is a thing like you code it on on your laptop and it will become on real life.
Not exactly. You code something like switch on the light. You give some code for switching on the light, and your light. If you want like to show it like in different colors, then you can use your RGB light. And this is tiered open. I don't know how, but yeah, it came like this. Okay.
No, I moved a bit na, so uska its pen must have turned.
Okay. So thank you guys. If you like this standard kit, Raspberry Pi standard kit, please smash the like button.
Share this video.
Maybe till tomorrow or day after tomorrow, we'll get our Raspberry Pi and we'll unbox that also. So stay tuned
And
subscribe
our channel. 10x would again. Staying right there. Can't move.
Oh.
Sadly.
Hello 10x.
Love ya.
And then Saion Gupta
And
Sayasmi Gupta. Everybody just post the comments with happy birthday on 27th of December.
I'm so happy because on 25th it's Christmas. Then on 27th it's my birthday. Double party.
And then 1st Jan it's our new year.
And our winter vacations from school. Finally, they are around.
So, did you like your gift? First gift, I would say.
Yeah, I get like 5,000 gifts. Not really, but lots of gifts. On my birthday.
5 to 6.
So guys, we really hope you liked the video. If you did, smash like that.
Smash the like button and share this video with as many people as you can. Thank you guys. Bye. Stay safe, stay healthy, and keep watching our videos. That's it, videos.
Videos. Damn! He's also saying, say it from his side. Damn! Bye!